Hello and welcome back to the NEC training series. Today we're breaking down NEC 110.26F, which talks about locked electrical equipment rooms or enclosures. If you're new to the electrical field, this is an important topic because it deals with who can access electrical rooms or enclosures and why access control matters for safety and security. Let's dive in. NEC 110.26F says that electrical equipment rooms or enclosures that are locked must still provide safe and ready access to qualified personnel. This means if a room or enclosure containing electrical panels or equipment is locked, authorized electricians and maintenance workers must be able to get in quickly and safely when needed. Access can't be unreasonably delayed or made difficult. At the same time, the locked status helps prevent unqualified or unauthorized people from entering, which reduces the risk of accidents or tampering. Why does the NEC have this rule? Electrical equipment rooms can be dangerous places for anyone who isn't trained. Live parts, high voltage, and complex wiring can cause shocks or worse. Unauthorized access increases the risk of injury or damage. So, locking these rooms is a good way to keep unqualified people out and protect both them and the equipment. But there's a balance. Emergency responders and electricians need quick access when something goes wrong or maintenance is required. This rule was created to make sure safety is maintained, and by controlling access, qualified personnel can always access equipment promptly. Emergencies don't become worse because the locked doors that are impossible to open. Here's what you should keep in mind. Locks should be secure but also easy for authorized workers to open, usually with keys, access cards, or codes. Emergency exits or alternative access routes may be required so that people aren't trapped inside or outside. There should be clear procedures for who holds keys or access codes and how access is managed. Locked rooms must still meet all working space, illumination, and access clearance requirements from the NEC. If you work with locked electrical equipment rooms, always know where keys or access cards are kept. Make sure emergency access procedures are understood by your team. Don't block access points with storage or debris. If you're responsible for locking, keep track of who else needs access and update permissions when staff changes. In case of emergencies, have a plan for quick entry, like a master key or contracting facility management. As an apprentice or electrician, understanding locked equipment rooms helps you work safely and effectively. Knowing access rules prevents delays during critical repairs or emergencies. Respecting security protocols protects equipment and personnel. This knowledge also helps you during inspections and job site planning. To summarize the NEC 110.26F, electrical equipment rooms or enclosures can be locked to keep unauthorized people out. Authorized personnel must have safe, prompt access at all times. Locks should be managed carefully to balance security and emergency readiness. Proper access control helps protect people and equipment. Thanks for listening.